value of a new boat purchased in 2009 is $46,000. The value of the boat is estimated to decrease by 19% each year. What is the best prediction of the price of the boat in 2018? How am I going to go ahead and figure out what the price of a boat is going to be if it is decreasing in value? I am here with my teaching assistant Chloe with her latest cheat sheet notes. She wants you to know when you have an equation in the form y equals a times b to the x power, when b is greater than 1, you have exponential growth. When b is between 0 and 1, you have exponential decay. If you have it in the form y equals a times the quantity 1 plus r raised to the x power, if 1 plus r is greater than 1, it's exponential growth. If it's 1 minus r is less than 1, it's exponential decay. Now, in the formula, a is the initial amount, r is the rate of change expressed as a decimal, and x is time. Now that we have Chloe's cheat sheet notes, we can go ahead and solve for the value of this boat. So first of all, I know when I have a formula y equals a times the quantity of 1 plus or minus r raised to the x, I will either have an exponential growth or decay. And in this problem, I can see that it says I am decreasing by a certain percentage. So decrease by means that I have a decay or an exponential decay. So I know that my sign in the center of this quantity is going to be a minus sign. So I'm going to go ahead and get my a, my r, and my x. My a is my initial amount, which was $46,000. That was the initial price of the boat. My r is my rate of change. It says 19% each year. 19% as a decimal is 0.19. And x is my time. I bought the boat in 2009, and I want to know the price of the boat in 2018. So I would take 2018 minus 2009, and I would get 9 years. So what is the value 9 years after purchase? So I'm going to go ahead and start by plugging in my stuff into the problem, or into the equation. Y equals a, 46,000, times the quantity of 1 minus r, 0.19, raised to the x power, which is 9. From here, I can go ahead and subtract 1 minus 0.19, which is 0.81. 0.81 raised to the 9th power is a 0.15 number, and I went ahead and wrote it all out, every single space that fit in my calculator, because I do not want to round until the very end. Now when I take this and multiply it by the original amount of 46,000, I get 6,904.35322, and so on. Since this is dollars, I know I'll round to 2 decimal places, so that would round to 6,904.35 cents. So this boat originally cost $46,000, and 9 years later, it was worth $6,904.35.